So to begin setting up your BMW Home Link, you're potentially going to require two different items. You're first going to need to have your physical garage door remote, and you may need a ladder. We're going to begin by making sure our BMW is pulled directly in front of our garage door. We're going to make sure the vehicle is on and look for these three buttons located underneath our rear view mirror. Now to make sure they are reset and ready to pair, we're going to have to push and hold buttons 1 and 3 at the same time. You'll wait until the orange light changes to a flashing green light. Then choose and click whichever button you would like to pair on your mirror. Make sure the light is flashing orange. Then grab your garage door remote, pick whichever button opens your garage door, bring it up to your mirror, push and hold that same button until that flashing orange light turns into a pulsing green light. Wait for the green light to disappear, push that same button again, and if your garage door opens, congratulations, you're done. If it does not, then there's one more step that we need to complete. So to finish the process, we still need to make sure our car is directly in front of our garage door. Grab our ladder and go up to our garage door operator. You're gonna look for the learn button, you're gonna push this button, make sure to go to your car within roughly about 30 seconds and push the same button that you paired up to your mirror. Wait for the light to disappear, then click that button again. That should finish the pairing process and your garage door should be completely paired.